So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can install Dropbox on your Mac. So first of all, open the Safari browser on your Mac. Now here search for Dropbox download. Now as you can see here, this is the first link which says install Dropbox desktop app for Windows and Mac. Click on it. Now here click on install. After this, you will have to sign up. For now, let's skip it. After this, click on allow and this will start downloading the app. To check it, click on this icon. And now as you can see here, Dropbox installer is downloaded. To run it, double click on it and this will run Dropbox installer. To install Dropbox, double click on this icon. Now click on open and this will start downloading Dropbox. Wait until the process is completed and now the Dropbox app is installed. Now you can log into your account and start using it. So this is how you can download and install Dropbox app on Mac. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.